Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am thrilled to play with the Glamlite and Betty Boop collab. Look how cute this box is. This is not the PR box. I opted to just get the collection without the box, and I was still so thrilled that they sent me such a nice looking box. I'm here to unbox, try on, and give you some first impressions. So hang on, we're getting into it right now. This is the Calligrapher eyeliner. I had seen this advertised and I was waiting patiently because I knew I was gonna get the Betty Boop collection. Look how pretty this design is. I love a good black liner. Ooh, so of course, I'll be using this today. And now for the Betty Boop items. The first item I have here is the Betty Boop Blush Duo. Really sturdy, nice packaging. Whoop. Plastic covering. We've got a nice mirror with Betty's face. We've got one with her face and one with hearts. Here is the one with the hearts. Here is the one with Betty's face. Next is a lip set. This is the Betty Boop Bring On the Boop Lip Kit. Open that up. Here's what the inside looks like. First we have a red lip liner and a heart-shaped red lipstick. Oh my. Cannot wait. I can see that it's matte and that just excites me. Next we have the Boopalicious Mascara. Love the matte packaging. Of course, we're gonna play with this before we get into the lashes. These are the Boop lashes. They are a little intimidating, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This is the first time I ordered a mirror from the collection. Check this out. This is beautiful. And it is heavy. Wow. Yay. And the star of the show, in my opinion, is this baby right here. This is the Boop Boop Doop eyeshadow palette. It looks like a TV. Again, really sturdy, heavy packaging. And then you can see the little girl in me is just thrilled with this right now. And then this is what the palette looks like. It does have a little mirror inside. Let's get to swatching. Little black dress. She's a star. Major sass. And irresistible. Wink and giggle. Boop boop a doop. Lucky Guile. And I'm a boop. Wow. The Pigment. Power and Pearls. Classy Chick. This is XOXO. Wow. Here is Icon. Classy Chick. Wow. This one is Boop Love. This one is Ooh La La. Here is Pudgy. I am going to start with Wink and Giggle. It's a very soft, neutral color. Make sure I don't have any eye creases here. I do have the Glamlite eyeshadow primer on right now. And I'm going in very light. If you are not familiar with Glamlite's formula, they are very pigmented shadows, but easy to blend. I would prefer not to get fallout on my face because I do have my face makeup done. And of course, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below. And of course, some are affiliate links, so if you use them, I get a small commission, and I thank you for supporting me and my channel. I'm gonna go into She's a Boop, which is this very red shade, and I'm gonna use my finger tap this on. Look at that. Just pressing it into my lid. So pretty. Then I'll take this little brush and take it a little bit higher. The color payoff is so satisfying. Next I'll go into Major Sass, which looked a little on the pinky side, but I know a way we can warm it up. Go right next to the I'm a Boop. Feels like Valentine's Day. And then clean finger just to blend the two shades together. I'll take that little brush again and just bring that shimmer up a little bit. I want to deepen up right above that shimmering red, so I'm going to go into She's a Star, and I'm going to keep it tight right in that crease because it is a deeper red, and then we'll blend it into that original color. Really just pushing into my socket there. That looks good. I'll go back into Wink and Giggle and just sort of blend. Now to warm up this inner corner, I'm going to go into Classy Chick. This one just wowed me. Yes, oh my gosh, look at that. I mean, they've all been pretty, but I'm most excited for Classy Chick right here and Pudgy. And then a little bit of this Pudgy right on the very inner corner. Just wiping off that little brush. The brushes I've been using are the MOTD brushes that I got in my Boxycharm. I like them a lot. I'm going to take that smallest one and go back into Little Black Dress and just add it to my outer corner. Just for a little definition. It is inky black. So you just use a little and take your time. And don't be afraid to use your finger to blend. I'm going to take that Little Black Dress and drag it around. Wiping off the brush, going into Wink and Giggle. Just because I want to play, I'm going to go into this Irresistible down here, which looks a little warmer. And I'm going to just go along the edge with that. I'm going to take a bit of this Power and Pearls. Looks gorgeous. And I'm going to wet it with a little bit of my e.l.f. setting spray. And just add this underneath for a little bit of sparkle. Then maybe I'll add a little more of that Classy Chick in the very inner. I mean, always keep a towel in your lap for wiping off the brushes. I forgot to use my mirror. Let's check for any fallout, and I'm not seeing any. I did bring a couple little helper products in with me. This is my LA Girl whiteout pencil because I wanted to make sure that my lower waterline was white. I do want to play with this calligrapher liner, but I'm not sure that I want to do a wing today. Holding it feels very comfortable in my hand. Yeah, that's very nice. Next I have the Boopalicious mascara, which sadly is going to be hard to see with this super bold eye look, I'm assuming, but I'll at least have it for a base for the false lashes. This is what the wand looks like. Again, love the design. Let's see how this mascara goes on. Feels like a wetter formula. Lots of length, and I believe it has potential if I were to build a couple of coats. I'm gonna do my blush and lipstick, and then I'll finish off with the lashes. Here is the blush duo, and I will start with this shade. This is the more, I would call this maybe a warmer pink. Pretty. Now I'll flip my brush over and I'll go into the more purpley pink with Betty's face on it, and this is the one that I'm a little more drawn to. definitely lighter, but I like that you can build it up. What do we think? This side over here, this side over here. I like them both. I'm gonna mix them in together so that they match. Very nice. So excited to try this lip liner and lipstick. Looks like a sharpened pencil style. Trying to line a little bit like Betty Boop. Fantastic attention to detail. There are hearts in this nice matte design. Love it. I think I did a good job Betty Booping the lips a little bit. Do they look full? All right, time has come for the lashes. I'm a little bit scared. They are bold. Let's see if I need to trim them. Ooh. I'm gonna get out some lash glue and I'll be right back. Wow. These are some bold lashes. I'm glad I have a bold eye look because the lashes would have covered anything simple. I think I want to take a little bit of this white out and brighten the inner corner just a little bit. Final thoughts. Not in the collection, this calligrapher eyeliner I love. I cannot wait to play with this some more. It felt so nice in my hand. The liner flowed nicely on my eyelid, and I can imagine a wing will be a cinch with this. Highly recommend so far. Of course, I'll keep you updated. The blush duo, absolutely. I see a little bit of a glow, but not too much. I do have a glowy foundation underneath, so it might be a little bit more matte, but I love the colors, and the formula felt very nice. The lip duo might be one of my favorites. I love the velvety look of my lips right now. There is a tiny bit of transfer, but I can tell that it's long lasting. The mascara I will continue playing with. I'll do a simpler eye look and see what I can achieve with it, but A+ for the packaging. The mirror, I'm gonna keep this on my desk in front of me. It makes me happy. I love the size. I love the quality. It is heavy without being too heavy, and the mirror is just great quality. And the star of the show for me is this palette right here. I love it. Glamlite's formula is no joke. Do not let the reds and pinks intimidate you if those colors do. I see lots of pretty purple and mauve looks that you can do. This Classy Chick was gorgeous. I will continue doing more looks. Maybe I'll do some shorts because I cannot wait to continue playing in this palette. Glamlite's formula is top tier in my book. The mattes are creamy and blendable. The shimmers are popping. Just gorgeous. Another reminder that I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, everything that I'm wearing. I thank you so much for joining me today. I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section. What do you think about this collection? Are you a fan of Betty Boop? I am, definitely. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fabulous day.